Good morning. Dit is Boukje, Plomke en Belle. En there's Yfke. Hey, Boukje. Sally. Hey, Sally. Oh, there's a white hair. Yeah, I have that sometimes too. Good so. And from left to right, Rein, Reisje, Dolly en Reintje. Hey Dolly. New water. Hey Sally. And Rein en Reisje together. Doe maar. Rein. I'm going to ride. And there are the fillies playing. It's Boukje. En Belle. En Blomke. En Yfke. Yfke is boss. Hey Belle. Hey Yfke. And there are a couple of birds over here. And they are fast, but I asked a friend of mine, and he said those are Fink. Sally. Oh, my. Oh, stappen. Oh, goed zo. Eraf. Ik wil weer naar je cameraman. Bedankt, Herre.
Ja, alsjeblieft.
Hij is er vast een mooi filmpje van maken.
Nou, deze al van mijn vinger. Ze is een heel beetje stukje van.
Oeh, hallo? Reintje. Hey. En Dolly. Reintje and 3 of her children. Ja, Boukje. Zo Yfke, Boukje, Dolly en Reintje. Hey, where you're from? Rocky, come. Oh, he's so funny. But I think it was 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and now it's 9 o'clock in the evening. And that's how long I separated them. But Dolly really don't need milk anymore. Hello? Okay. Rocky just jumped on my shoulder. Oh. Okay. You are big and quite heavy. Yeah. That's better. Okay. But, hey, Reintje. Hey. But I wanted to say Dolly is old enough to live further without your mom. Hey. Reintje. Don't do that, please. Daisy, Glendy, and Peach. But I will clean this stall. Well, the poop in back. Oh, yes, Dolly always poops in the back, so that's perfect. There a little bit. And then Yfke can go here again. And after that, I do it with this stall. And then Belle can go there again. And then I do it with this stall. And then Boukje can go here with Blomke. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Yfke. Hey, hey. Hello? No. Okay, she has to wear the bridle, but not that one. Then you have to put that in your mouth. No. Okay, I help. Kom eens, Yfke. Goed zo. Perfect. Hey, first time ever. She don't know yet. Well, we go outside. There are the horses, the fillies and the others. And I'm busy over here. At least I try. Because this wire is not perfect. When I put power on the wire, the electric goes here and here. But it's not everywhere good enough. I want to show you what I mean. There is no electric wire. I have to fix this. Bouke. Peach. They are always poop here. I think I fixed it. I put on a new piece. Hopefully this is working. There's another broken again. So I have to fix it. Okay, for now we fixed it. And Bouke fixed this again. And hopefully the horses don't dig holes anymore. Belle. Blomke. Denk erom. Don't dig. Denk erom. Otherwise you go inside. Hey Blomke. Boukje. Boukje is most of the time digging. En Yfke. Hey Boukje. Belle.